Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best personal blenders is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen appliances for health-conscious individuals and busy professionals, offering a seamless transition from hectic schedules to healthy and delicious meals and smoothies. This comprehensive review will help you navigate the world of personal blenders, uncovering the top contenders and guiding you toward the perfect fit for your lifestyle and needs, ensuring you make a well-informed decision based on power, portability, ease of cleaning, and overall value. Number 5. Ninja Fit QB3001SS. This powerful blender is perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and more. Its compact size makes it ideal for any kitchen. It easily blends even the toughest ingredients, unlocking hidden nutrients from your fruits and vegetables. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients with ease. Make delicious frozen drinks and smoothies in seconds. It's small enough to fit on any countertop, yet powerful enough to handle any blending task. Blend directly in the cup and take it with you. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Enjoy your healthy creations without the hassle. Get started with 50 delicious recipe ideas to inspire your healthy lifestyle. From smoothies to sauces, the possibilities are endless. You'll receive a powerful motor base, blade assembly, 2 16-ounce cups, 2 spout lids, and a recipe guide. Everything you need to start blending. What we like? It boasts a powerful motor that crushes ice and frozen ingredients with ease. Its single-serve cups are perfect for blending and taking your creations on the go. If you need a versatile blender for various frozen drinks and smoothies that you can take with you, this is the one for you. What people say? It blends ice, frozen fruit, nuts in 1 minute. The Ninja Blender has been one of the best purchases I've made for my kitchen. It's powerful, easy to use, and handles everything: smoothies, soups, sauces, and even ice. I love how quickly it blends even the toughest ingredients. Plus, the parts are easy to clean and the design is very practical. The auto blend feature with the 1-minute timer is all you need. It takes the guesswork out of making smoothies. Just press the button, walk away, and come back to a perfectly blended drink every single time. It crushes ice, fruit, and anything else I toss in without any issues. Cleanup is quick, the cups are super convenient, and the whole thing feels really solid and well built. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 51131 Blender. It's the perfect on-the-go blender for your smoothies and shakes. Blend directly in the BPA-free travel jar, add the lid, and you're ready to go. Its durable stainless steel blades easily crush ice and frozen fruits. Get smooth results every time, adding more nutrients to your diet. Cleaning is a breeze. The jar, blades, and lid are all dishwasher safe. It's small enough for your home, office, or car. This personal blender fits most cup holders, making it ideal for travel. Making your favorite icy drinks is simple. Just press the button and enjoy. This Hamilton Beach blender is easy to use and clean, perfect for a healthy and convenient lifestyle. What we like? This blender comes with a convenient travel cup, perfect for those on the go. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts. If you're looking for a compact and easy-to-clean blender for quick shakes and smoothies, this is an excellent choice. What people say? It's so easy to clean, it's so adorable, it's so strong it can crush ice, and the best thing is that you can take it on the go. It's perfect for smoothies, breakfast smoothies. The crotch is not ailments, frozen strawberries. It can handle a lot. It can handle dropping it, tossing it, throwing it on the floor accidentally. Like, it's very durable. The test requires a small amount of solution to 600 grams of dry metal dust, and I had a feeling that the motor and blades wouldn't be powerful enough to do the job, but since the appliance was so budget-friendly it was worth a shot. It's easy to put together and it's super easy to clean. Pro: 1. Low price. 2. High-speed motor. 3. Thick wall blender jar. 4. Reasonably easy to clean. 5. Friction fit top doubles as a travel mug spout, not likely to come off accidentally or leak, but the sliding closure is not leak-proof. 6. The blender jar locks fairly securely into the motor base. And 7. The power cord wraps neatly into a slot for this purpose built into the motor base. Number 3. Personal Blender Electric Shake Bottle. It's a 500W motor that makes smoothies in seconds. Perfect for busy people who need a quick, healthy drink on the go. This amazing device is a blender, coffee grinder, and shaker bottle all in one. Save space and time with this versatile kitchen tool. It's made with BPA-free Tritan material and has triple seal lids. Enjoy mess-free blending, shaking, and transporting. Blend your drink directly in the bottle, seal it tight, and take it with you. It's ideal for the gym, office, or anytime you need a protein boost. One-touch operation makes blending and grinding simple. Plus, the parts are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. What we like? It's a 3-in-1 device that grinds coffee, blends, and has leak-proof travel bottles. The dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and easy. If you value convenience and a multifunctional appliance, this is a great option. What people say. Excellent size for single or double user. Powerful, relatively quiet, 5-oh motor, more power than most smoothie products. For this price, 2 separate blade assemblies, one for blending smoothies, one for grinding seeds, nuts, coffee beans, very easy to thoroughly clean all the parts. Crushes ices with ease and blends ingredients quite well. No mess. Rinse the screw-on blade under hot water and air dry and do the same with blending vessel. Haven't tried the chopping blade yet but confident the strong motor can handle it with ease. It's sturdy but with small footprint. Number 2. Ninja BN401 Nutri-Pro Blender. This blender is the ultimate kitchen appliance for creating delicious and healthy drinks. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to use, making it perfect for busy individuals and families alike. With its 1000 peak watt motor, it effortlessly blends even the toughest ingredients. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies and hello to perfectly smooth creations in seconds. It features 2 Auto IQ preset programs, one for smoothies and another for crushed ice. These programs take the guesswork out of blending, ensuring perfect results every time. Unlock the hidden nutrition in your fruits and vegetables. It extracts vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables, including parts you might normally discard. It crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients with ease. Create delicious frozen drinks, smoothies, and frozen treats that taste like they came from a resort. Blend directly in the 24-ounce single-serve cup, add the spout lid, and take your creations with you wherever you go. It's perfect for busy lifestyles. It's compact enough to fit on any countertop, and its intuitive controls make it incredibly easy to use. Blending has never been simpler. Simply attach the cup and blade assembly, and you're ready to blend in seconds. It's that easy to get started. What we like? This blender features a powerful motor and smart Auto IQ technology for perfectly blended drinks every time. The larger cups are ideal for making multiple servings. If you want powerful, automated blending and larger portions, this is the blender for you. What people say. It blends ice, frozen fruit, nuts in 1 minute. The Ninja Blender has been one of the best purchases I've made for my kitchen. It's powerful, easy to use, and handles everything: smoothies, soups, sauces, and even ice. I love how quickly it blends even the toughest ingredients. Plus, the parts are easy to clean and the design is very practical. The auto blend feature with the 1-minute timer is all you need. It takes the guesswork out of making smoothies. Just press the button, walk away, and come back to a perfectly blended drink every single time. It crushes ice, fruit, and anything else I toss in without any issues. Cleanup is quick, the cups are super convenient, and the whole thing feels really solid and well built. Number 1. Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender. This is the Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender, your new kitchen essential for creating delicious and healthy drinks. It's compact, powerful, and easy to use. It features a powerful 900 peak watt motor that effortlessly blends frozen ingredients, fruits, and vegetables. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush ice and break down whole fruits and vegetables, maximizing nutrient extraction. Get the most out of your ingredients. Blend directly in one of the 3 included 20-ounce to-go cups. Then, simply twist on a lid and take your creation with you. The cups, lids, and blade assembly are all dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. More time for enjoying your healthy creations, less time on chores. With 20 included recipes, you'll have plenty of ideas to get you started. Explore a world of delicious smoothies, shakes, and more. What we like? It has a high-powered motor for efficient blending and special blades designed for nutrient extraction. It also comes with multiple cups for various needs. If you prioritize nutrient-rich drinks and want extra cups for sharing or storing, this is a great choice. What people say. It blends ice, frozen fruit, nuts in 1 minute. The Ninja Blender has been one of the best purchases I've made for my kitchen. It's powerful, easy to use, and handles everything: smoothies, soups, sauces, and even ice. I love how quickly it blends even the toughest ingredients. Plus, the parts are easy to clean and the design is very practical. The auto blend feature with the 1-minute timer is all you need. It takes the guesswork out of making smoothies. Just press the button, walk away, and come back to a perfectly blended drink every single time. It crushes ice, fruit, and anything else I toss in without any issues. Cleanup is quick, the cups are super convenient, and the whole thing feels really solid and well built. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.